Today's Panchangam, 1st December 2024, Krodhinama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Sharadrudo, Kritika Masam, that is Vrchika Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 12:21 p.m. Amavasya, then Pradhamai, Sunday, that is Bhanuvasaram, Nakshatram up to 3:25 p.m. Anusham, then Ketai Nakshatram. Today's Rahualam 4:30 to 6 p.m. Yamagantam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Guligalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Mesha Rashi.